Solving inequalities is actually a pretty important skill before you get to graphing lines, which is algebra 1. So this is the end of pre-algebra. Let's get started right away. Solving inequality is not too different from solving a one-variable equation. What you have to do is keep in mind that your end goal is keep x all by itself onto one side. So the other steps are keep on doing it's for one goal. It's getting x onto one side. So let's distribute this minus 5 in there. So you have minus 15 minus 10 is bigger than 4x minus 4. Okay. Here, I'm going to get x onto the left-hand side. I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides. And I'm going to add 10 on both sides. You can do this in 2 steps, but here I choose to do it in 1 step to make it a little quicker. So you have minus 19x over here. It's bigger than 6. Okay. And in order to avoid any trouble with the inequality, I always tell my students, when you divide a minus sign on both sides, okay, minus 19 on here, draw a line here to remind yourself a negative multiplication or division changes the sign into basically flipping it. Okay, the reason I flip this is actually pretty easy. See, you have a 5, which is really bigger than 1. Okay, so it goes this way. 5 bigger, this one opens up bigger than 1. But minus 5 and minus 1, you'll see it has to go the other way. So minus, when you do multiply minus 1 divided by minus, you have to flip. So here's your first answer. Okay, let's go on to the second question. Second question, you have 4, 3x minus 1. It's sandwiched in between 2 numbers. Here you do exactly the same thing. You distribute it in there, 12x minus 4. Okay, minus 20 here, plus 20, minus 28 here. I'm going to move all the numbers off. Okay, so this one is off. This is 24. And then here's 12x is left in between. And then here's 24, minus 24. I'm going to divide it by 12. Since this one is positive, nonetheless, I still draw this line here to remind myself I don't have to change because I'm dividing and multiplying a positive number. Okay, here's your answer. Have a confident day.